everybody, this is Pete from Carpizzo's Kitchen. And guess what? Today, we're gonna have fish in the house for our dinner. So I said to Anthony, I said, you know, why don't we make a little bit of coleslaw to go with it? So you can do this the hand way. Take your knife, take a piece of that, cut your coleslaw into nice little thin strips like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Or you can get your food processor out, which most people would do. I like to cut it by hand. You know, I'm a former butcher. I like to use knives, right? So here we go. We've cut our coleslaw into the bowl. We go now into nice pieces of coleslaw. Then because we want a little color, get your carrot into the bowl. Get your carrot into the bowl. And there you go. We'll be back in a little while. Subscribe to our YouTube page and visit us on Facebook. Thank you. Bye.